Hello everyone. As you know, today we are going to learn class 9th English book Beehive, and the poem is No Men Are Foreign. This is so much interesting poem, and after reading this poem, readers can develop a patriot in his or her mind. Guys, today it is raining heavily. I think you are getting enjoy. You are getting delight. But it is good enough. You should take enjoy. But this is your first responsibility. You should study more and more. Okay? So today we will learn our new poem, that is No Men Are Foreign. So starting, as you know, the poet of this poem is James Faulkner Hiccup. Okay, James Faulkner Hiccup. In this poem, we should read few lines. Before you read, have you ever thought of some people as strange? Means here your poet is asking a question to all the readers who are reading this poem. And the first question is, through the first line of this poem is, have you ever thought of some people as strange? Means here, have you ever thought any kinds of people who are strange for you, or other countries as foreign? Not only for the people, suppose for the Britishers, Americans, Japanese, we say them they are foreign. We have many ways of thinking of other people as different from us as them. We think different to them or us, we are different from them. How? This depends on our thought. They may belong to a different country. Okay? So they may belong to a different country or speak a different language. If we are thinking that they are different, how we can think that they are different? It may be on the basis of their uniform, on the basis of their dresses, on the basis of their languages, on the basis of their food, their color, their religions. Okay? However, the poet reminds us of the many ways in which we are all the same. We are not different. Our poet is telling to us that no men are foreign. This title is proved by your poet Faulkner, James Faulkner Hiccup. He is saying that the poet reminds us of the many ways in which we are all the same, for we are all human. Okay? Suppose you eat, foreigner also eat. If you walk, they also walk. If you take breath, they also take breath. If you wear a clothage, they also wear a clothage. If these common things happen for the foreigner also, how you can say that they are foreigner? So our poet is giving a kinds of suggestion to us. No men are foreign. So firstly we should learn the summary of this chapter. After then we will explain this poem. So the summary of this chapter is, the poet reminds us that men are foreigner or strangers, and no countries are foreign. Okay, if your poet is telling that no men are stranger or no countries are foreign, how? We should know. Soldiers of different countries wear different types of uniforms. Okay, suppose the uniform of Pakistan's army is different to India's army, and India's army uniform is different from Japanese, Americans, Chinese. Okay, so their uniforms are different, but their bodies are alike. Two hands and two legs, two eyes, one head is found in each country's army. Only they wear different. You can say that they are stranger, they are foreign, but their bodies are alike. They breathe and walk like us. If you breathe, then I breathe. Means everybody breathe. If everybody breathes, means they are human being. They feel heat and cold. Every human being feel heat and cold, thirst, hunger. The land is the same everywhere. This is the earth on which we are alive, work and die. Means the earth is same on which we all live, work and die. So all are brothers. If we harm and condemn them, we harm ourselves. If we go to war against each other, we pollute our common Mother Earth. Here poet is used, our earth is a common Mother Earth, because earth is same everywhere, the earth is same. Okay, we shall bring destruction, disease and death by the war. These types of destruction comes, disease, death, we shall starve and suffer. So we should love one another. We all are brothers. No one is a stranger or a foreign. This is a most important poem for all the human beings. So guys, you should note down this summary in your copy. And you should clear your concept. Your summary should be learned by you. Okay guys, still if you find any kind of problem, then you should contact to me. Okay.